did you know that within this community there are numerous students who are below the reading level that they should be at for their grade? A lot of these students have fell through the cracks and not received the assistance that they have needed. With the AmeriCorps Reading Tutorial Program, the program offers the assistance with one-on-one tutoring, which helps these students with it helps them to improve on their reading comprehension, their vocabulary recognition, and also their basic writing skills. And the program has proven to help increase the graduation rates within the community, and the program has proven to be very beneficial. For these students, having the one-on-one assistance really helps them to have that independent time to read and to work on their problem areas and be able to assist them in the way that they need it, and it really helps them to improve and reach the levels that they should be at. And it is very beneficial for this community because our youth and our students are the future for this community. So any help that we can give them was very beneficial to them and to our community.